I was on the phone for an hour. Who were you talking to for an hour? Sam, an old friend from college. When is the last time you talked to him? At college graduation. Wow, that was 30 years ago. We had a lot of catching up to do. Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon? Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it? How about the lake? That's a great idea. What should we pack for lunch? I can make ham sandwiches and potato salad. Yummy! I love ham sandwiches and potato salad. Tell your sisters about the picnic. Okay, I think it's going to get hot later today. Dad, what are we doing today? Kathy, it's a surprise. Is it a special occasion? No, just a short family trip. Does Mom know? Of course, it was her idea. Where's Mom? She's at the store getting things for our trip.